Hi everyone, welcome back to Enoble Kendra, and in this video we're going to be looking at uh, Haryana and Telangana comparison. Basically in India we have a lot of states and states. So basically from the CBSE side, or you can say CBSE side, they're in school, they're comparing two states, Haryana and Telangana. So today I'm going to be talking about Haryana and Telangana comparison. So even though we are all of different states, we are of the same nation. Unity in diversity. Welcome back to Enoble Kendra once again. So before we start, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also ring the notification bell to stay in touch with our videos. So let's start. First, we're going to be looking at the location, plains, climate, and forests of Haryana. So Haryana is located in the northwestern part of India and it is a landlocked state. The location of Haryana is between 298 N to 3035 N latitude and between 74 280 E to 77 36 E longitude. Haryana's shares of the total geographical area of the country. It is 1.4% and it is 4.4 million hectares. As per India State Forest Report FSI 2030, the forest cover in the state is 1,586 kilometers square, which is 3.59% of the state's geographical area. And the tree cover in the state is 1,282 kilometers square, which is 2.90% of the geographical area. Thus, forest and tree cover for Haryana state is 6.49% of its geographical area. Haryana is geographically divided into four hills: plains, Aravali range, and semi-arid range. So basically, this last line means that Haryana is divided into hills, plains, Aravali range, and the semi-arid area. The weather in Haryana is often rainy, so it's oftenly rainy in Haryana. Now we're going to be looking at the rivers and canals of Haryana. This is a picture of a river or canal if you do not know how it looks. So the first one is the Sahibi River, then there's the Dohan River, then Krishnavati River, Indori River. Now we're going to be looking at the important canals of Haryana. Western Yamuna Canal and the Sutlej Yamuna Link Canal. Now we're going to be looking at the location, river, climate, and agriculture of Telangana. So now we're going to be looking at Telangana. So Telangana is a state of the southern region of India. It has an area of 112,077 square kilometers after the Andhra Pradesh recognition. Telangana lies between 1546 and 19 degrees 47 N latitude and 77 degrees 16 and 81 degrees 43 E longitude, and it is bordered by the states of Maharashtra in the north and northwest, Karnataka in the west, Chhattisgarh in the northeast, and Andhra Pradesh in the southeast. Telangana is drained by two major rivers, Krishna and Godavari. The river Godavari flows on the north, whereas Krishna flows on the south. The climate over there is often dry. Telangana grows 27 important crops in the Kharif and Rabi seasons, put together covering an area of about 53.51 lakh. Now we're going to be looking at the history of Telangana and Haryana, so both of them. So first of all, we're going to be looking at the history of Telangana. Telangana region has been ruled by great dynasties such as, I do not know how to pronounce this properly. You can read it by yourself. So you can read the history by yourself. Now let's move on to the Haryana history. I can read this. The Vedas, the most ancient manuscripts of the Vedic region, stem from the area that is known as Haryana. These Sanskrit documents were written by the Aryans, who descended into the region from the north between 2000 and 1500 BCE. Haryana is also considered to be the birthplace of Hinduism, which began to take discernible shape by the 2nd century BCE and had developed two distinct branches by the 4th century CE. I think that's BCE. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everyone. Take care and bye.